How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're gonna do kind of a rust proofing underneath the body of my MDX, because there's quite a bit of rust underneath the car. So I just want this car to last a bit longer, so I'm gonna shoot it with this rust proofing from Rust Check. So hopefully we can save the body of the car and make this car last longer. So guys, let's get started. So as you can see underneath this truck, there's quite a bit of rust on the underbody of the car, and we're gonna shoot that with that rust proofing spray, just to make this car last a bit longer and protect the metal from rust to spread. So the front is not too bad. It's the rear that has a lot of rust on the underbody. So you don't want to hit it on the exhaust, also on the brakes. Try to avoid that one. So we're gonna shoot only the one that's exposed rust. So try to aim it without hitting the exhaust system. So also here in the driver side rear tire, rear wheel, you get better view of those rusted parts here. So remember, you don't need to shoot the brakes, otherwise you're gonna have no brakes. So that's basically it. I sprayed all the exposed rust. Anything that I can see from this side. That's it. As you can see, everything here now looks good. Everything is protected. No more exposed rust. So that's it. Move on to the next tire, to the next suspension. So this is the driver's side front wheel or front suspension. Okay, so this one is not too bad, just a little bit. So now everything is protected on the driver's side front suspension. So I shoot all the rust proofing on all the rusted sections. So now I think the coverage is pretty good. So this is the passenger side rear suspension. So this is the passenger side front suspension. So now the passenger side front suspension is done. So this is the rust check that I've been using on my cars. So every time I have rust on the underbody of my car, I always shoot it with this rust check. So this really stops the rust. So any rust you have on the car, once you shoot this rust check, rust protection, the rust is not gonna spread anymore. It's gonna stay like that, and it stops the rust. So guys, I hope you like the video. Please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.